Voiding a customer refund. We're going to void a customer refund because an incorrect date is mentioned in it. To begin with, open the Payments and Applications form. Click the New Record icon. In the Type field, select Customer Refund. Click the search icon in the reference number box and select the reference number of the customer refund you need to void. Now, click the Void button. In the Post Date field, change the date of the voided refund. The date specified in this field should be when the voided refund is released, payment date, and when the related batch was created, transaction date. After changing the date, click the Remove Hold button, and then click Release to release the voided refund. You have successfully voided the customer refund. You can now create a new customer refund document with the correct date.